Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, I will buy a new. Correct. To wear. Number two, can you say it? Though. A difficult word similar to but. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer's shirt is yellow. Jennifer's shirt is yellow. Shirt. Jennifer's shirt is yellow. A shirt is something we wear on the top of our body. Now we can make a flashcard for shirt and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write shirt up here in the top left corner, S-H-I-R-T. Down here in this corner, CLO1. This means clothing, level 1. Over here, the number 8 out of 12. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Shirt. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I am happy though it is raining. I am happy though it is raining. Though. The weather is bad. It's raining. But she is not sad. She is still happy. I am happy though it is raining. Now let's make a flashcard for though. We usually use it like this, with two sentences. It is raining. I'm happy though. Please make a flashcard like this. Write though up here in the top left corner. T-H-O-U-G-H. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here, the number 111 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. And for TH, you put your tongue between your teeth. Though. Though. Game over. You did very well today. I will buy a new shirt. Correct. For men or women. Number 2, though. Similar to but. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, rectangle. Yeah, like a long square. Number 2, are you satisfied with an F? This means happy. And number 3 is a direction. Southeastern. Today is Monday, September 8th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.